Dear friends, have you taken a look at Google's new local listing platform, Google My Business, which has single-handedly replaced Google+, Local, and Google Places? In fact, now you can use Google My Business to manage your searches, maps, and Google+ accounts all in this one convenient location. Getting your local business listed on Google My Business, GMB, and other online directories is one of the fastest and easiest ways to get a local business to start showing up for local search results on the biggest search platform, Google. In today's digital marketing and advertising economy, Google is the #1 platform through which your prospects and new customers will gather information about your services. Google research also shows that businesses with detailed and complete online business listings are twice as likely to be considered reputable and reliable by consumers. Like it or not, if you own a business, big or small, Google is an essential component of your online presence. Well, here's an excellent opportunity to harness all the persuasive power of Google My Business, attract more relevant and engaged subscribers, improve conversion rates, and make a killing. We have put together all the resources you need to help you optimize your listing on Google My Business platform that are already being used by some of the best marketers on the web. Save time and avoid frustration with these steps on how to set up your business and get immediate recognition on Google. Presenting Google My Business Training Guide, written by skilled professionals, is jam-packed with the most advanced tips from the global marketing industry. This is a massive info-packed training guide that is compiled with precision and enriched with time-tested methods. Working with Google My Business without a firm foundation and knowledge can be very overwhelming at first. And that's why we want to make it a total no-brainer for you to get started today. Our comprehensive Google My Business training course will enable you, #1, to reinforce your brand and increase your visibility. #2, to connect with your on-the-go consumers and increase accessibility. #3, to put your business in front of many potential customers. #4, to set your business apart from other businesses in your industry. #5, to save your time and resources simultaneously enhancing your profits. Hurry before your competitors snatch your customers away forever. Click on the buy button and grab the deal.